Hey YouTubers, welcome to the Budgie-Boys vlog. We've got one little baby left in the box. A bit of a scaredy cat. But a little green budgie, perhaps with some yellow on the wings. He's our last baby to come out this season. So I'll be looking forward to seeing what he looks like. We've got a lot of babies, budgies flying around in the aviary now. Everywhere you look, there's a budgie baby. Yeah, they're quite tame actually. You can get pretty close to them. Yeah, quite a few lutinos amongst them. Yeah, fun times. Look in the background there. There's budgies everywhere now. About 12 or 13 of them. The batch are still being fed by mom, but they're also able to eat for themselves, which is great. Yeah, anyway, have a good day. Bye.